Hi students, welcome to Only Math Student Point. In the previous video, we discussed about some terminology of sets, right? And today we are going to start exercise 2.1 and we'll discuss some more sums. Okay, students, here in exercise 2.1, so what they give here, which are the following sets, and justify your answer. This is page number 33, exercise 2.1, guys. Okay, page number 33, exercise 2.1, we are going to discuss these sums right now. Okay, the first bit, what they give, which of the following are the sets, justify your answer. Okay, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with letter J. Okay, the collection of all the months, we have to identify that whether the given statement is belonging to the set or not. Okay, the given statement is belonging to set or not. Okay, first you should understand the question, right? So the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So what are the months which will start with letter J? That is January, June, July, right? So always, if you take any year, any calendar year, it will be the J letter will be of 3 months, right? So Jan, June and July. Okay, therefore it is a set. Okay, I am going to write here Jan, July, June or July. Okay, it is a set. Why it is set? Because if you take any English year, okay, the J letter months will be of 3 only. It will be January, June and July. That's it. Okay guys, now coming to the next question. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Actually in India, we have many writers, right? Okay, but we cannot say that so and so writer is the best writer in India. Okay, it depends on their script, and it will be modified every year. Okay guys, so we cannot say that the topmost 10 writers of India, because it will be every year it will be changing. So the changing the changing thing, we cannot say that it is a set. Okay, it will be fixed always. Then only we can say it is a set. Okay, it is a variable because it will be vary from year to year, right? So it is not a set, because the collection of 10 most talented writers of India means always the 10 most writers means it will be the 10 only. No more extra candidates should be added in that in any year. But every year it will be modified, right? So we cannot say that it is not a set. It is not a set, first of all. Now coming to coming to third question, guys. What is given? A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. See, this is similar to the previous question, the writer's question, because we cannot say that the batsman is best forever. Okay, it will be differ every season. Okay, they're asking a team. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So a team will be changing the batsmen always. Therefore, it is not a set. Okay, now the collection of all the boys in your class. Yes, it is a set, because what they are talking about the collection of the boys who belongs to your class, not other class, right? Therefore it is set. because it is a fixed, guys. Because they are not talking about other class, they are talking about your class. That too, the collection of all the boys of your class. So for 10th class boys, for 10th class boys, for 9th class boys, so all are sets here. Okay, but in the previous questions, what they are asking about that of a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So we cannot say that the best cricket batsman. Okay, it will be differ for every match to match and innings to innings, right? So it is not set. So coming to the fifth one, the collection of all even integers. What are the even integers, guys? Even integers is nothing but the even numbers. Okay, so what are even numbers? So even numbers is denoted by e, nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Okay, there is no end for that, and that too, even numbers are fixed, guys. Whenever we are talking about this mathematics subject, even numbers are fixed. We cannot change the even numbers to prime numbers and prime numbers to odd numbers and like that. So the collection, they are asking the collection of all even integers. So here even integers become a set. It's a set. I hope you understand this bit, right? So we'll discuss other bit in the next video. Thank you.